Julia. When you have a new design, how to select the suitable machining process is most troublesome problem. The radio will help you to understand customized fabrication industry more. First, CNC machining plays an unique role in the development of new projects. If your product requires a high tolerance, CNC machining will be your best choice. CNC machining is suitable for complex structural parts like enclosure, cavity, and this body. The common used materials are aluminum area, which the CNC processing difficulty is low. The product weight is reduced. The time for processing is shorter, which could save the cost and improve performance. If you get a new project shaft like shaft or pen, CNC lathe is a choice for you. Drilling reamers, tanks, milling tools can use to be on the lathe for corresponding machining. Common materials used for lathe processing are below. You can contact with us with like professional design, machining, assembly service. You just contact with us. Wait for the simple, easy for you. If you have any regarding custom issues, please contact with us.